2019 Volvo V60 revealed, emphasis on versatility and safety. Volvo revealed the new V60 in its natural habitat, or rather in the driveway of a home in Stockholm, Sweden. The location was fitting given the V60 is a 5-door, mid-size wagon and ideally suited for families on the go. Volvo says the new V60 caters to the diverse needs and realities of modern family life by being both practical and versatile. The family estate driver is an important customer for our business and has been for generations, explained Håkan Samuelsson, President and CEO, Volvo Cars. The new V60 honors that tradition, but also takes it much further. Essential foundations. Volvo's scalable product architecture, or SPA platform, underpins the new V60. It's a natural choice given how the XC60 and 490 series vehicles also reside on the platform, and it's entirely permissible that Volvo's success the past few years is owed partly to SPA-inspired designs. Overall, the architecture streamlines things for Volvo's engineering and manufacturing teams, and provides a number of benefits for the consumer: more interior space, better safety technology, and stronger impact protection among them. Safety and security. Complementing the high-strength steel of the SPA architecture is an exhaustive list of safety features and advanced driver support systems. City safety with Autobrake technology and pilot assist are two of the biggest. The first uses automatic braking and various detection methods to avoid potential collisions by spotting other cars, pedestrians, cyclists, and even large animals. The latter helps the driver with steering, acceleration, and braking on well-marked roads up to 80 miles per hour. The V60 also includes Run-off Road Mitigation, Oncoming Lane Mitigation, and other steering and driver assistance systems. The optional cross-traffic alert with Autobrake is also available. Power and performance. In the United States, the V60 will be available with a T5 engine creating 250 horsepower for front-wheel drive models. All-wheel drive models see a nice bump to 316 horsepower with the T6 engine. There are rumors and reports of the T8 hybrid engine coming to the United States for the V60, and even a diesel powertrain. Volvo's press photos do show a plug-in hybrid variant, but for now we shouldn't hold our breath. At the moment we are only planning to take the T5 and T6 powertrains, with V60s arriving in calendar year 19, said Jim Nichols, Technology and Product Communications Manager, Volvo Cars. Availability and in-person. Reservative buyers will be able to access the new V60 through a subscription service called Care by Volvo. The service offers a monthly flat-fee subscription for the vehicle versus more traditional methods of ownership. In the meantime, the 2019 Volvo V60 will be on display at the Geneva International Motor Show beginning on March 8. In related news, Polestar will also make their European debut at the Geneva International Motor Show. The company's initial car, the Polestar 1, will be on display for the first time. Carl Anthony is managing editor of Automoblog and resides in Detroit, Michigan. He studies mechanical engineering at Wayne State University, serves on the board of directors for the Ally Jolie Baldwin Foundation, and is a loyal Detroit Lions fan.